Let us start our next topic, that is laws of exponent. Now here, as we know how to what are the exponents being called, what is the meaning of exponent. So now we will come to know the laws. Okay, so here let us start. Laws of exponents. Number 1, product of powers. When multiplying with exponents, add the exponents. So when you multiply the exponent, you have to when multiplying with exponents, we have to add the exponents. You see, x to the power 2 into x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to x to the power 5. Now let us prove this, how it is possible. Now the proof, you see, x to the power square is equal to x into x, x to the power cube is equal to x into x into x. So x to the power, if you multiply it, you see, x to the power, I am showing you again, you see here, x to the power x to the power 2 is equal to x into x, x to the power 3 is equal to x into x into x. So what it is, it means, see, x, if you multiply it, x to the power 2 into x to the power 3 is equal to how many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How it expressed? X to the power 5. So x to the power 2 into x to the power 3 is equal to this. The x will be multiplied 5 times, so x to the power 5. So what is the first law? The first law of exponent is x to the power n into x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus n. Now all of you look at your book, page number 26. Here they have asked about the number they have taken as a rational number. If p by q is any rational number and m and n are any two positive integers, then p by q to the power n into p by q to the power n is equal to p by q to the power n plus n. That means if you take this x as p by q to the power 2, and 2 means say n, and x p by q to the power n means 3, so is equal to p by q to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5. P by q to the power m plus n. So this is the first law. Let us go to the second law. Apply the power to each factor and simplify. You can see here 3 into ab whole square is equal to, what you have to do, when the power to each factor you have to simplify. 3 to the power 2, a to the power 2, b to the power 2. So what it is, 3 to the power 2 is 9, a square, b square. Now next, when raising an exponent to a power, multiply the exponents. Now this is the next law. That means if the exponent is multiplied, that means how to do that? Raising x to the power, I will show you again, x to the power 2 to the power 3, the bracket is there, that means you have to multiply the exponents, x to the power 2 into 3. So let us do the proof. Let us prove it, how it is possible. Let us have a look. You see here, x to the power 2, you multiply it 3 times. I'm showing you again here. X to the power 2 to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 2 into 3, that is x to the power 6. How it is possible? Let us see. Now here you see x to the power 2 to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 2, you have to multiply 3 times, is equal to 3 times, is not it? So here, since the base is same, the base will be same, you apply the first law, your base is same, so power will be same, 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is 6, so x to the power 6. So if you get like that the expression x to the power m to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n. So you have to multiply the exponent. But if you get like that, that means multiply the base with exponent. So same base, exponent that means you have to multiply, then you have to add the numbers. When dividing with exponents, subtract the exponents. Another law, you see, x to the power 3 divided x to the power 2 is equal to x to the power 3 minus 2 is equal to x to the power 1. Let us have a look in the proof. So you can see here, if in the general form x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. The general formula will be is equal to x to the power m minus n. So here they have proved it by taking the example x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 2 is equal to, this is the answer. How? See the explanation. X to the power 3 is x into x into x, and x to the power 2 is equal to x into x. So if we divide, then 2x will be cancelled with above and remain x. So here x. That means you can apply this one by shortcut method. This is the formula. X to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. So this is the third law of exponents. So this is the third law. In your book it is the second law. First law I have already explained, m plus n, and the second law it is x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. So in your book it is given p by q instead of x, because they have asked about they have explained about the rational number. Now here one exception is there. You will subtract only when n with n, when n will be greater than n, when n will be greater than n. Now if n is greater than n, then what you will do, you will give, if here it will be n and here it is n, that is n, if n is greater, then what it will be, x to the power n minus n. Let us proceed to the next topic. Find the power of the numerator and the denominator and simplify. Now you see the expression here, one of the example they have done, 2a by b to the power 3. So what it will do, 2 cube a cube and divided by b cube. Here also it will be b cube. Here 2 3 is 8, 2 3 is 8. I am showing you again. Cube is 8, a cube divided by b cube is equal to 2 cube is 8, 8a cube by b cube. Now next is 0 exponent. Anything raised to the 0 power equals to 1, that you have done in class 7 I think. Anything x to the power 0 is equal to 1. p by q to the power 0 is equal to 1. 3 to the power 0 equal to 1. xy to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this one they have given you in 5th law. In your book you can see the 5th law. So here is the example they have given to you. One by 1 is equal to 1. So now let us have a look in the next topic. See here, x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Is not it? X to the power 0. What does it mean here? So x to the power 0 is equal to 1 because x to the power 3, that is x into x into x, divided by x into x into x, it will be cancelled and it will remain 1. So anything to the power 0 is 1.